Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ out in the Shovelhead shed. Pretty much in the same spot I was the last time on my last video. The reason being is because, as you may know by now, we do have some new subscribers. They may not know. I'm giving away this 2007 Sportster. It's 3,500 miles. It's a lowrider Sportster 1200. And it's like brand new, man. $25 a ticket if you'll go to my website, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. Go check it out. If you have people that you really don't like, or people that you really don't want to spend a lot of money on this Christmas season, if you'll go there, go to my website. Buy some hats, some merchandise, koozies, jackets, and stuff like that. As you can see today, I'm not in my cosplay biker apparel because I got things to do and I gotta get going. On this giveaway, on this bike right here, I'm cutting it. I'm done. By probably December 30th or December 31st, I'm gonna pull the tickets. I'm gonna pull the names. Right now, you have less than a 1 out of 300 chance. So you got like 1 in 275-ish chance of winning this bike. Somebody's gonna win this bike. Somebody's gonna get it for Christmas. I'm cutting it off at the end of the year. I want to start a new year. And so it's my loss, not yours, because it is the season of giving. So, anyway, also, this video that's coming up, it has nothing to do with motorcycles. If you don't want to watch it, don't watch it. I've seen snow twice in my life. I don't understand the whole Santa Claus and I don't understand snowflakes. I don't understand sleigh bells or reindeer or icicles or snowman. I'm from Florida. Seen snow twice. One time in Colorado and one time in 1977 in Miami when I was a kid. I don't know anything about none of this sleigh bell stuff and all that other stuff. To me, winter is worthless in Florida. So this is how I spend my winter times. This video is about how I spend my winter times in Florida. I hope you enjoy it. I'll be back to, I'm taking a little bit of time off. I'll still make videos, but I'm taking a little bit of time off from motorcycles because you know, family's down and stuff like that, and it's far, far, far more important for me to spend time with my friends and my family than it is to spend time doing what I love the most, which is motorcycles, but I do love boats and things like that. So anyway, go to my website, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com, and sign up for this giveaway. It's somebody, I mean, the odds are really good, and somebody's going to win it pretty soon. And if you don't have a ticket, then you can't gripe because you didn't win it. And if you only have one ticket, you can't gripe because, hey, you tried, but you need to try a little harder. I don't know what that means. Anyway, one ticket will win it. 2 tickets better your chances, better your odds and stuff like that. So if you want to know what the motorcycle really looks like and stuff like that, you've seen videos of it, and if you haven't, go watch some of my other videos. But anyway, alright man, peace, Merry Christmas, and enjoy the video. That way. Oh no, it's that way. That way, go. That's T-reel fishing right there. Look at that. All right, let me get a picture.
Slave of the day.